Karai jong ka Jingyelang ka kunhun ki menteri Sorkar ban kentiu tulop iki Nonghikai ha ka jella kamshim la ai Jinghun satya iki Nonghikai Adhoc ki bala khot penlong ka Iakhih mentala bon sngi ha ka jaka yang kali ka kherdop jong ka additional secretariat hanong ba shlong. Kani ka Jing Shimra jong ka Sorkar hapo ka Jingyelam ukonrat konggal sangma kalongkum ka Jingkhen po ia ka Iakhih jong ki Nonghikai Adhoc ki badawa la ka jong ka hok ka jongki katkum ka Jingyai kapor ha ka bau ba mebon lingdo rentathyang ubalong unong lam ktin ka Federation of All School Teachers of Meghalaya ka balong ka senjuk ki Nonghikai Adhoc ki bala khot penlong ka Iakhih ulo ong ba ka ei ka basngolungo hangni kalong ba ka Jingtip sha ki Nonghikai ki Iakhih ne sha ki Nongyelam ka fastom kamshim lawan na ka Sorkar ne wat ban khot ka Jingkran ni ki Nongyelam hadin ba ka Jingyelang ka ka kunhun menteri Sorkar hendrai ka Jingtip kalawan penban na kilat pathai khubor ye kirai jong ka kunhun menteri ka ba ka fastom hi kamla satya ban Bteng dalileiru uba mebon la kantharu da ka baong bahaga Jing shisha ka Sorkar kadiban khot shwa Iaki haswa ban pathai shikilat pathai khubor laki hun ne kim hun satya ya ka ei ka bami na ka Jing kendu hapdeng ka kunhun ki menteri ber ka fastom halor kane ka Jingbom hun ka fastom la shai menstem ka santarik unaitung kan sa penlong ya ka CEC jongka ban sa penbana Biang shiki para Nonghikai ha ka por khatwei baje menstep ki program Iakhih ki bandang Bteng nang ne shakman
Kam siya mga ini ke Jinghun. Di hakani ka sisi ka bangi nang sudah besong. Nim siya mala iya ka ban ay ka daw no karay hakani ka John Mir. Najing kerpat ka lang bangin yo iya ka ban isong sisi meeting Biang na siya isprobaji. Ban pani ki Jing pom hun Jong ki Nonghikai ki balay ab si tom ki balay thia ni kan na ken shu ye ki Jing sha si tom na du ar pratri ki session kerbat ye ki Nonghikai ki Jong i bangin haban sa patatu lay shai hatway baji so baji ni don Biang ka si meeting Namar ka di ka Jing ni foot jong ka Sorkar cabinet meeting. Kalong insulted. Ya kaya ka bangi equality. Tigi kipat ki Nonghikai bakil sobha. Panyay siya. Kaya ka ba inyo pan examine ng iro ng taga ni karay jong ka cabinet. Nisay, masyay hakapor.
What they are doing is trying to divide the teachers. This is the same old policy that is being done, that is being followed by the Britishers while they were in India. Divide and rule. We are not happy, Mr. Conrad Sangma. We are not happy, Mr. Preston Tinsong. And we are not happy, Mr. Lakman Ramboy. In the other day, while Sir Preston Tinsong was addressing the press, he stated that the government is going to allocate 200 crores. But the number that came today is 100 crore. Where is the 100 crore? Where did it go to? How can in a few days, 2-3 days, 100 crore or 200 crore becomes 100 crore? We do not even understand that. We really appreciate what the leader of the opposition party, Dr. Mukul Sangma, has done in the year 2016. He has upgraded the enhancement by 100%. If you take a look from 2013 to 2016, the salary increased by 100%. So if we talk in terms of the higher secondary teachers, because I am a higher secondary teacher, we moved from 12,000 to 24,000. And that is in the past. That is at the time where the budget allocation of Meghalaya was 13,000 crores. But if we take a look at the present context, the budget allocation of Meghalaya is 17,500 plus crores. Now if we take a look at the present context, the 3% of cess tax that is supposed to go to education, we do not know where did it go to for the last 6 years. Maybe it is time that we also try to find where is the 3% of cess tax.